Hi, Reggae Ellis here for Mountainwatch. A bit of a mixed bag in the mountains today. We saw the cloud move in early in the Victorian resorts while it started off sunny in New South Wales. A few snow showers started falling in Mount Buller around 9 a.m. this morning, but one thing the resorts did have in common was strong winds. Those north-northwesterlies anywhere between 60 and 85 kilometres per hour, and that caused wind hole problems in all resorts. The good news is that wind is going to ease off tonight, and we're going to see sunshine tomorrow. So Saturday shaping up quite nicely, and that fine weather should continue into Sunday morning. Then we're going to see the west-northwest winds pick up throughout Sunday as a cold front approaches. And we are going to see a bit of rain at first on Sunday night, but then we're going to see those temperatures drop very quickly, which should see heavy snowfalls to low levels overnight Sunday into Monday. Those snow showers continuing on Monday and easing in the afternoon. The temperatures are going to get a little bit warm on Sunday ahead of that cold front, but then as you can see, they plummet pretty quickly and back to sub-zero temperatures, and we should see some nice quality snow on Monday and Tuesday. Now, the grasshopper is talking about a couple of fronts coming through on Tuesday and Wednesday. They're not looking as cold as they previously were, but still looking good for snow above 1,500 metres and a little bit wet below that. But all in all, another good week coming up. If you like powder skiing, the mountains are the place to be. This has been Reggae Ellis with thanks to the Mountainwatch online store where you can get all of your mountain essentials.